All right. What's up, everybody out there? Y'all miss me? Marc Antomattei here with another video. Today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Elgato HD60 S Plus, aka the Elgato Luchador. Anyways, if you guys don't know, I have a men's lifestyle channel out there on YouTube called Gentleman Masterclass. Make sure you go subscribe to that. Then I have Gentleman's Club Whiskey, which is my whiskey channel, and I've been spending most of my time hopping between those two channels uploading content. And this one I've just kind of neglected, but I'm back on the scene, going to be doing all kinds of unboxings and things like that. All kinds of new products, old products, whatever. I got a whole back catalog of things that I need to do. Cameras, camera gear, lenses, so much stuff. But anyways, let's get into it. That's for another time. Now, I'm living inside of Japan, so these are going to be my unboxings in Japan. Not necessarily am I always going to be buying Japanese-made products, as this is not a Japanese-made product, but I'm just saying, it is what it is. Sometimes you might see me unbox Japanese things, but maybe oftentimes I won't be, because Japan-made electronics are kind of crap now. They don't hold a candle to things made out of Korea for appliances, TVs, smartphones, computers, laptops, tablets, things of that nature. Japan is just kind of at the back now, and United States and Korea is running things in terms of electronics, but it is what it is. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. This is the Elgato HD60 S Plus. I would have just got the regular HD60 S, but as I am a MacBook Pro user, people are saying that the HD60 S is not compatible with Mac or Mac OS, but they said that this one works, so I'm going to go ahead and use this one right here. And what I plan on doing with this is doing live streams and live unboxings on this channel that you're watching now, and do live streaming every Saturday over on Gentleman Masterclass, and maybe every Sunday I might do a live stream over on the whiskey channel, Gentleman's Club Whiskey. So I want to do my live streaming. It's not for gaming, but it is for live streaming. Who knows, I might even try to get some gaming in too, but this is primarily for connecting to this camera that I have now. This is the, what the hell am I using? This is a Sony Alpha. How come I forgot the name of my own camera? Let me take a look real quick. This is called the Sony A7C that I'm using now. And I've been strictly using Sony's for, I'd say, the past 5 or 6 years. It replaced my Canon camera. I love walking around using mirrorless. And Sony just does so well with things like this. It's kind of like a plug-and-play ordeal. The streams look beautiful. That's the whole reason I got it. Let's see what it says on the box. 4K 60 HDR pass-through, 1080p 60 HDR capture, USB 3.0 interface. If you got USB 2.0 on the side of your computer, sorry, you're shit out of luck. It's not going to work for you. Instant Gameview. Let's see what's on the back. It says next level performance, authentic gameplay. All right, lag-free 4K 60 HDR pass-through, but I'm going to be shooting 4K 30 frames per second. That's how I hope to stream, but if it doesn't, then I'm just going to do the pass-through and just do it in 1080p, maybe 60 or 1080p 30, who knows. Professional capture and plug and play. Works with your favorite apps. And I'm going to be using this with OBS. All right. These are the ports that you have on here. Analog audio, HDMI in, USB 3.0 Type-C. And then on the other side is an HDMI out. Compatible with Mac, Windows 10. Also, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 4 Pro. I'm still waiting for the PlayStation 5. Unfortunately, in Japan, it's one of those things that even a year after its release, I still can't find this mother Xbox, Xbox One S, Nintendo Switch, Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, OBS. I don't know what the hell that symbol is, but it works with that one too. The robot, whatever that robot thing is right there. Let's get that zoom action going. If you guys know what that robot is, leave a comment down in the description. Let me know what it is. All right. Bought this off of Amazon. Paid somewhere in the ballpark of $200 for this. Of course, in Japanese yen. Don't know how much exactly, but let's just say in the ballpark of 200 bones USD. Japanese equivalent. I will let you guys know inside of a future stream or something how this performs. But right now, just pretty much the unboxing. Download Elgato 4K capture utility to get started. All right, and it shows you how to connect everything up. Looks simple enough. Let's see the cables that we get inside of here. All right, we got the USB-A, the fat boy, USB-A to USB Type-C. And you got an HDMI cable. Could always use more of those. I definitely need it for this because I am out. Might even have to buy one more. Not sure just yet. Might have to. You got the product itself. Nice weight. Feels really nice and good. Smooth. Not heavy at all. Plastic exterior. Gonna last a long time. And again, one more time, let's take a look at those ports. Let's get that zoom action going on there. All right, that close-up action, that's what I meant to say. You got your analog audio in, HDMI in, USB Type-C. And this is the HDMI out. And this is going to go, I guess, I don't know where the hell this is going. It's going to go to something. I'll figure it out later. Is that it? Let's see what else we get inside the box here. Comes with a sticker. Don't know what I'm going to put this on, a notebook or something. And you got your instruction manuals. You know, as my boy Floss from Queens says, plug it, file it to the side, and there's nothing else inside the box, just cardboard, and that's it. Let me see if I can get this thing halfway set up correctly, just on camera, just to let you guys know what it is. All right, let's get this thing ready. The USB Type A is definitely going into the side of the computer. Let's get this little twisty off. Nice long cable. Just how long that I need it. Oops. Sorry about that. So this is the in. Right. So that goes inside of there like so. Yeah, I'm going to have to go get another HDMI cable from somewhere. Or maybe I don't need it because I'm not doing... I'm setting this up for live streaming with my camera and not necessarily for video games. So I guess one HDMI cable will do. But which side is that going to go on? I think that's definitely going to go on the in. It's going to go out of the camera and it's going to go in to this thing. Right. So let's just go ahead and plug that inside of there. Good. It has enough space to plug in there. And this end is going to go into my camera. And this is going to go into my computer. And I think that's pretty much the way it goes. But if you was doing gaming, of course, you know, you got to plug it into your TV. So you're going to have this end go out of your, all right, if you were gaming, right, it's going to go out of your game console into this in here, and then you're going to use the second HDMI cable to go out of here into the TV for the pass-through. But yeah, we don't need all that. It's fine just how it is. So I'm going to use this inside of a future video, maybe even a live stream, and you guys will see the quality then. But anyways, I thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace.